Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back and you're watching English by Joseph ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well and also learning and speaking English. So my dear friends, first of all I want to thank all of you for being a part of this family of this English by Joseph ma'am family. I welcome all of you with wholeheartedly. Today my dear friends, I brought some topic. It's a new topic, a new session, and it's about the word get. Now the word get, it is important in the word English to make sentences, and here I brought for you some sentences on the word get. It's very important in English, in speaking English. It's a very important. So before moving on to the session, before I continue, before I start, I would like you all to first subscribe my channel, those who are new to my channel, and please ring the bell so that you'll be getting the notifications of the videos, from the new videos. Alright, so let us begin. So there are some sentences, and the word get, what I said before, it's important in English. Without that, without this word, we will not be able to frame sentences or to speak anything in English. So here are some of the sentences that we are going to listen and speak it up. Now the first one is, when did you get the news? When did you get the news? आपको खबर कब मिली? When did you get the news? These, my dear friend, these sentences, I'm not just writing it. It's important that you, because you use in every day in your conversation in Hindi, you do it. Now I want you all to speak it up in English, as we do, usually we do in a day-to-day work. Another thing, English is not just memorizing, my dear friends. I just want to tell you all, English is not just memorizing. It is practically you do it, listening and speaking. The more you listen, the more you speak. And another thing, you have to think about the words. Think about the words. आपको words सोचने, imagine the words. आपको all around, when you are in a house, you are in a locality, you are in a park, whichever place you are, just see the things around you. If you see the things around you, there are trees. If you are at home, there you have everything at home. A sofa set is there, a bed is there, a refrigerator. There are so many things at home. Just think about those words, those pictures, the things that are there, the objects are there in their room, and then you can just think about that object and then make a sentence. Simple. This is simple work. The more you practice and the more you will become perfect and fluent in English. That is what my thinking is, my dear friends. So that make it a you can say a routine. Every day make these sentences, and these are important. The more you will speak, the more better you will be able to understand it. So here is the sentences now. When did you get the news? When did you get the news? ये चीजें आप इंग्लिश हिंदी में बोलते हो, आपको खबर कब मिली? Next one, I came here to get some advice. मैं आपके पास आया था आपसे कुछ मशवरा लेने, कुछ सलाह मशवरा लेने के लिए. I came here to get some advice. Advice. Do you get cold often? You know, here you are asking a question. तुमको जुकाम हमेशा होता है? Do you get cold often? Cold, there are meanings of, there are two meanings. Cold is like when there is winter season, you feel cold, and this another cold is when you get, आपको जुकाम हो जाता है. This is another sentence. Do you get cold often? It's not often, it's often. Like before that I told you another thing I want to tell you all, my dear friends, that mostly the word that I'm speaking of, I'm reading the sentence for you. Just listen carefully, because you have to focus on the vocabulary also, the way to speak. You have to focus on the words. Do you get cold often? Do you get cold often? Next one, you will soon get better. You will soon get better. जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे. He will get you into trouble. He will get you into trouble. वो आपको परेशानी में या मुसीबत में डाल सकता है. Get your foot off the chair. गेट योर फुट ऑफ द चेयर। आपको पता है ये वर्ड फुट किसको बोलते हैं? पैर को, पंजे को पैर, फुट, सो फुट बोलते हैं। गेट योर फुट ऑफ द चेयर मतलब अपने पैरों को चेयर के नीचे रखो। कुछ बहुत से लोग होते हैं ना चेयर के ऊपर पैर रख के बैठते हैं। ओके, आई हैव टू गेट रेडी फॉर स्कूल। आई हैव टू गेट रेडी फॉर स्कूल, मुझे तैयार होना है ऑफिस जाने के लिए या स्कूल जाने के लिए। आई गेट अप at 4 in the morning. I get up at 4 in the morning. Give me a pen and a paper to write. Give me a pen and a paper to write. She is going to get a new car. She is going to get a new car. Next one. I will get it for you. I will get it for you. I have to get back as soon as possible. I have to get back as soon as possible. We usually get together once a week. We usually get together once a week. Can I get a photograph of this paper? Can I get a photograph of this paper? Get everyone inside. So here, these sentences that I've read for you, I hope you understand the Hindi. The first one I said, when did you get the news? तुम्हें खबर कब मिली? I came here to get some advice. मैं यहाँ पे आया था कुछ सारा मशवरा लेने के लिए. Do you get cold often? क्या तुम्हें जुकाम हमेशा होता है, अक्सर होता है? You will soon get better. तुम जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे. He will get you into trouble. वो तुम्हें परेशानी में या मुसीबत में डाल सकता है. Get your foot off the chair. अपने पैर चेयर के नीचे रखो. I have to get ready for school. मुझे स्कूल के लिए तैयार होना है. Give me a pen and a paper. Okay, sorry. I get up at 4 in the morning. मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठती हूँ. Get me a pen and a paper to write. मुझे एक पेन और एक कागज चाहिए लिखने के लिए. She is going to get a new car. वो एक नया कार लेने जा रही है. I will get it for you. मैं तुम्हारे लिए ले लूंगा. ले आऊंगा. I have to get back as soon as possible. मुझे जल्द से जल्द वापस पहुंचना है. मुझे उस जगह पे पहुंचना है. We usually get together once a week. हम लोग अक्सर हफ्ते में या महीने में एक बार मिलते हैं. Can I get a photograph of this paper? क्या मैं इस पेपर का तस्वीर ले सकती हूँ या ले सकता हूँ? Get everyone inside. सबको अंदर कर दो. I hope you like this video and you understood the sentences from get. Now there is a work for you, my dear friends. Don't get me wrong. मुझे गलत मत समझना. अब इसको आप वर्ड में गेट कैसे लिखोगे? इसको सेंटेंस में इंग्लिश में आप लिख करके मुझे प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा. आपको आज का वीडियो कैसा लगा? If you enjoyed it, you liked it, and you learned something from this. You learned something from this video. Another thing, we will be doing another words of this, like get, got, and gotten in the next video. Till then, goodbye. God bless you all.